Hello everybody, Yellow Mustang here again with another game development video. Last time we were working on the aiming of the character. His arms last episode were kind of drifting away from his body. So I was thinking about that, and I think I have a solution for it. So in the aim script here, we have the position based off of the arm position. We can have the position based off of the torso position, and then kind of tell it where the arm is exactly. So we could do like parentheses there, and we could do torso, or my torso dot CFrame times CFrame dot new. So that way it doesn't matter what our rotation is. This will always be based off of where the torso is in the general direction. So CFrame dot new, and then it's like like 1.3 on the X, 1.5 on the Y, and then 0 on the Z, I think. And then this should be dot position, I believe. C-frame. Can we do like that? Okay. I think that will work, and that way our arm won't go floating away into the shadow realm anymore. Let's go ahead and run this and see. Always issues. Okay, yeah. So I can already see. You can already see on the left arm it's starting to drift away from the character's body there. Yeah, it keeps getting further and further away. The one on the right is staying in the correct position, so I think this fix will work. It is just a little bit high right now, so if we could lower that down, then this will look pretty good. So 1.5 to 1.3 maybe. Let's see. It might be too much. And then we could just reverse that for the other arm. 1.3 is too high still. We do 1.1. See, that might be too low. That's the thing with C-frame, is you just keep playing around with it until you get it pretty much. All right, little bit lower, I think should be perfect. Like maybe we can do half of a tenth, a hundredth, if I may. No. Let's just do 1. Okay, and that should be right on the money. Hopefully. Yeah, that looks okay, I think. Maybe a little bit lower. It's hard to tell because I'm strafing. I think it does need to be a little bit lower. Let's try 0.8, I guess. Let's see, might be too low. Actually, yeah, I think that looks pretty good. That looks about even with how the other arm is. And man, that drifting is so bad. I can't believe I didn't notice that the other episodes when I was doing this. Like the arm is just like drifting away from my body so quickly. Okay, so we can just go ahead and steal this C-frame, throw it onto here, and then we can just switch the X to be negative, and our arms should be good to go. And now we will have no more issues. Yep, perfect. Perfect little arms aiming perfectly as they should. Yeah, no more Mr. Nice Guy, no more drifting away for the arms. Okay, this character is looking pretty good now. We just got to get the forward backwards walking animation to work, and that would be pretty good. So let's go ahead and copy this guy once again, throw him into the workspace so we can do some more animations with him. So jump into this. Oh god. Okay. So again, it's giving us errors with that. I think I didn't save the correct guy that had the motors deleted. So torso, we don't need shoulder motors because we will never not have our guns pointing at something, so we don't need to animate the arms. Okay, so now we should be able to go to animation editor, create, don't scream at me. All right, and we will once again go to 0.75. Can we not go 7.5? Okay, there we go. All right, so let's go ahead and get our general keyframes down here once again. Okay, looks good. So then we'll go like 1.50. And we're looking at the leg here. Put this leg forward. Yeah, it sucks that we got to do this shit twice. It's like every time you think you're good, and then you get to go do it again. And that way you're like twice as good at doing it. Okay, so it looks fine. I'll swivel to the left a bit. Yeah, that should be fine. Let's swivel to the left. Okay, so we'll come back here. Grab this keyframe to here. See, paste selection, and then we can go ahead and just do the opposite of what we did here. So right leg forward, we will do right leg backwards now. So like so, and then like so. All right, cool. And then we're gonna have his head veer to the right side this time. Okay, looks fine to me. And then we just need to come back here, copy this keyframe, and then come over here and paste the selection. Bring it back to normal. Separate all this shit out. Okay, make sure it is looped. And it actually, we got it pretty good on our first try. I am really surprised. I want the right leg to come further forward, I think. So what keyframe is that? This? Further forward would be good. Yes. This one, I think the left one looked fine to me. Yeah. Okay, fantastic. All right, looks pretty decent to me. Let's go ahead and pause this and export it to the commando walking. Okay. All right, we do not need you anymore. All right, so we already have the walking in here, I believe. Oh, where did the ID go? Okay, well, I guess I deleted it on accident and overwrote the wrong one. So we'll go back and grab the walking ID. Okay, so I got it. Let's go into here, walking. Perfect. So now we will walk. So should I really have this in strafe, or should I just make a local script for the commando character? I mean, I think I should, right? It's gonna be unorganized if we put everything in the strafe. Do local script, call this animation. All right, let's go ahead and start pulling this shit out of strafe. So pull, we need this, and we need the one below it as well. And copy this. Don't write code anymore, just gotta copy and paste. Amazing. All right, we need user input. Grab like all this shit here. Paste. Okay, great. We don't need tilt. We don't need strafing. Yeah, we don't need strafing. Okay, don't care about that. We put if here. Root, human, camera. Don't think we need camera. Don't need mouse. Don't need that. Don't need this. Okay, looks good. And then we can declare our walking in here also. So local walking script.parent. Wait for child walking. And then local walking anim equals human. Load animation. Walking. Walking anim dot priority equals anim dot animation dot priority dot core idle. This is also movement. But I want walking animation to have priority over strafing though. Let's see here. I gotta do some research, like what is Roblox animation priority? I gotta figure out what priority is above each one. Okay, so core is the lowest, and then idle, movement. Okay. So we can call this one like idle, and this one will overwrite idle every time, so that should be fine. A little bit unorganized, but what are you gonna do? So local side movement equals false. Local front movement. What would it be? Lateral movement? No, lateral would be side to side. What the hell would you call front and back movement? Whatever. Let's call it diagonal. That's like horizontal. No, maybe it would be lateral. Lateral movement. Somebody smart can correct me in the comments if you dare. How are we doing on time? Oh, we're doing great on time, actually. You know, we're making a lot of progress this episode. This is fantastic. This is going to be the episode where everything goes correctly. Okay, so else if input dot keycode is equal to nm.keycode dot w, or input dot keycode equal to nm.keycode dot s, then lateral movement is equal to true, then walking anim play. All right, and then same thing, we can just copy this and paste it down here pretty much. So all we're doing is doing the reverse. So it's simple, easy peasy stuff here. Delete that. All right, so all we gotta do is stop this lateral movement to be false. Yeah, we don't want to run that multiple times, so we gotta make sure if walking anim or lateral movement is equal to false, then do this. We don't want to have this animation being played multiple times, or it's gonna probably look weird, I think. So if it is this or this, then just switch to false. All right, so that should be good. I hope. I pray. Alright, this is looking pretty good. I think I got the priorities backwards though. I thought I had them right. Yeah, why is strafing like taking priority? We don't need strafe play anymore. That can stop spamming. Yeah, that's weird. Strafe anim. That priority is idle, but this one's priority is movement. So it should overwrite the strafing animation, should it not? Oh, strange. It's like the exact opposite of what I want. Yeah, right when I said, like, yeah, we're gonna have no issues this episode, of course. I mean, it's working really well. It's just not as perfect as I had hoped. Yeah, like this overwrites it every single time. And then what the hell is this? Oh, is Roblox is still putting in the animation script in here? I didn't think it was gonna do that. And health too. Yeah, we don't want health or animation to be in there. We're gonna have to like delete that. Oh, and then also in strafe, we don't need those values in there anymore. We don't need side movement in there anymore. Okay. Oh, is it? I think I know why. Okay, it's because I still had it active in here, huh? Okay, so just make sure we clean up our code in here. Okay, it's a good thing I came back and was cleaning that up here for a second. So the issue was that it was playing from the strafe script with a improper animation priority. Okay. What? Why are you not stopping? W, S, then lateral movement equals false, walking and stop. Why is it not detecting that? Did I just like break everything? Is lateral movement doing the same thing now? No, so lateral movement works. Yeah, it's just for some reason something's wrong with this. Else if input.keycode equal to W or input.keycode equal to S, then lateral movement equals false. But A and D is working fine. Is it because it's an else if? What if we put it in its own? It shouldn't matter. I don't even know why I'm doing that. There's no way this is going to fix it. If this fixes it, then I'm at a loss. No, it didn't fix it. Because that makes no sense. If lateral movement equals false, then lateral movement equals true. Alright, so let's print the key codes every single time. www SSS. Stop the thing. It's that easy. Wait, what? No way. Of course it didn't work. Okay. Did I just have my ends completely out of order there? Is that why it's not working? Yeah. Okay. This is working flawlessly. Alright, cool. So you can see we're strafing. I'm holding down D, and then I do forward, hold down D, and it overwrites it as I'm going. Perfect. You can easily walk backwards. Alright, yeah, sweet. Alright, let me just clean up this a little bit. I want this to be else if, not end. There we go. So I guess I just had the ends incorrectly. That was weird. I'm surprised. I made that mistake. Alright, there we go. Alright, everything is good. Let's go ahead and clean this up. And animations are almost good. We just need to do like a jumping animation so it overwrites all of that. So let's see, we got like a minute left of the episode, so we can go ahead and do that. Why not? So let's see here. Animation editor, create. Okay. This will take 0.3 seconds, because all it has to do is just put your legs out like that, I guess. I mean, that's how people jump, right? And then let's see. Let's go back here and add some keyframes so we can have the default starting position as usual. Let's come over here, paste. All right. That might be too fast. Yeah, let's make this, we can make this like 1 second. Paste selection here. Okay, let's run this again. So I mean, we could just have this like looped, and then once we touch the ground, because the character is going to have different like jump heights. I mean, I guess this will work for now. All right, yeah, let's export this. We'll go ahead and we'll just send it and just see what happens. So commando jump. And then all of these local scripts I'm doing are only going to be for the commando local scripts. Oh god. This is taking too long already. Something went wrong. This file might have a crash incoming. Probably definitely have a crash incoming. So let's go ahead and save to Roblox. We're going to have to reopen this. Alright, you can see my lovely background there. You guys love it. Let's go ahead. The game project is back. And we can go back into the animation editor. Okay. That should be the same. Export. Create. Please, Roblox. Please, can I load an animation? Let's see. Commando jump. Jumper. Okay, there we go. Let's go ahead and pull that animation real quick here, real quick like. Alright, so we don't need you anymore. Go to start player, new animation, and we can call this one jumping. And then Roblox is having a heart attack evidently, so wait for a minute. Okay, go ahead and paste the animation ID into there. And then we need to update our local animation script. So we can just do human dot jumping connect function. Okay, well, we need to load the animation first. So local jump equals script.parent, wait for child jump, and then local jump anim equals human load animation jump, and then jump dot priority, or jump anim dot priority equals anim animation priority dot action. So we want that to overwrite our other walking animations. So jumping connect, we just want to play jump animation. All right, cool. Should hopefully work. We should still be fairly on time here. Oh, okay. Wait for child jump. Did I already forget what I called the thing? Oh, it's jumping. Oops. Jumping. Okay. Run a little bit long this episode, unfortunately. Okay. Oh, it's way too long. Okay. We can fix this real quick. No, we need to end the episode. This is getting too long. Okay, so next episode we'll go ahead and get that fixed. But I would like to thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.
Oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this. Oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this. Oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this.